recently, like, she told me, I want to be a vegan person. A vegan. And we went to a vegan restaurant. Yeah. And I say like, not a vegetarian, how do you say vegetarian? Vegetarian, okay? No, a vegan. That's more spiritual. Yeah. You are more higher like, than the vegetarian. Yeah. Vegan, man. And we went to a restaurant, and I say, I can make it. No. For only one day, I can make it. No problem. And go to this place, and the waiter came, you know, this like hipster guy, like no-binario, like with tiny tattoos, and mandalas, and all this shit, avocados, and I say, what the order, no? How do you say, like el vato llegó y dijo, ¿qué quiere pedir? Chingada madre, no me captan ni una.